All right, guys, I'm excited to have the first live trading workshop with all of you November 2nd, 2022 in Florida. A lot of people are coming and I'm so excited, and you need a trading station to benefit from that. So this is my traveling station. I have, as you see, my laptop, my mouse, and I have two screens that I'm gonna put my trading station in there. So a lot of you are asking, Andrew, what are you using for traveling? Okay, let's go a step by step, see how actually I could set up this beautiful trading station. And that's the beauty of trading, that you can travel around the world anywhere. This is your office. This is what you need. Let's go through that step by step. I'm gonna talk about how I travel, because I travel a lot all around the world, and I always have my workstation with me. No checked-in bags. I always have a carry-on, a very good carry-on bag, usually about $500, because I want something really good, goes really fast. It's very important for me. And then I have a laptop bag. The model and what am I using, I'm gonna explain, put it in the link down there if you wanna purchase that. The laptop, 3 monitors, and everything that I need is included in that. These two are connected to the back from this. Goes down. This one also has a wheel, so you can just put it down and I can just walk it if I want. You know, you can just walk it any way that you want. If you don't, you can just bring up, because this is heavy, you just put it up here and you can actually connect it together, and now it's just, you go through one of them. So as you know, I have a status with Air Canada. I travel a lot, and it's very important not to check in bags. You save time at the airport. You do not need to wait for that. And if there is any change in your plane, you can actually change your plane. But if you have checked in bags, then you have to travel with your checked in bag. So that's very important. Okay, so now let's go through, walk and see what is included on each of them and how I travel fast and how I travel everywhere I can trade. Okay, so now let's see what is in my Brigger's Riley bag. So has a lot of, obviously has a lot of pockets that you put your passport and everything in there. But there's two main compartments here. One of the main compartments is the laptop, you know, it's padded, and your screens that you do. So my laptop is here, it's padded to protection. As you see during the travel, the laptop can get damaged. And then I have two screens here. Screens are portable screen. They are coming with the cover. You have to bring them out through the security. If you want, you have to bring them out, put them together. If you want to go through the security, because they needed to be out. So like that, if you want to go through the security, you always have to bring them back. So always take it with me in the airport. So this is what we have right now. So these ones are USB powered. So there is a USB cable that goes in there, that goes into the computer. So 1, 2. So you can have 3. I used to actually have 3. But how we can actually set it up, I'm gonna explain that to you. The link to these ones, these are really cheap, like $120. The link will gonna be in there, the link downstairs. You can purchase it. It's really, really good. I traveled with this for 4 years all around the world. They're still working solid. The laptop, obviously, you just open up the laptop. And now, what else do we have? So after you open up, again, this is the compartment that I put my laptop and a screen. You have to take them out for the security in the airport. Now there's an internal components in this bag. So you open up. This is very important. Obviously, the number of things is all of the liquids and stuff that you want to take into the airport, because I do not open the other bag into the security. That one is locked. I don't want to open up, zip up, nothing in there. So all of the stuff that is liquid in there, I'm going to put in there, just quickly pass it through the security, but that's not part of it. I always have some battery packs, because I'm always running out of battery. Battery packs is part of my deal. The laptop charger is very important. And I have my mouse, obviously, very important. I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it up. Mouse pad, so important, because you know these laser mouses are not really working everywhere. And then this is very important. This is the most important part that you have, is the USB hub. The reason for the USB hub is the power to the screen cannot come directly from the laptop. It drains the battery laptop really fast. Therefore, you need a USB hub with the power. So the screens are getting their power from the hub. I'm gonna show you how I explain. Obviously, I'm travel. I always have these adapters worldwide, because you know, I'm always traveling all across the world, and some extra cable just in case for my phone and for my iPhone charger. Another very important piece of information is your screen holder. I'm going to show it to you later how I use that. Very cheap in Amazon, extremely important. So I have 3 of them here. Now let's go and set it up. So that's what you need from the bag. You don't need the bag anymore. You just put the bag on the side. So now let's set it up. So the laptop is the number one. Obviously you want the screen. So this thing is very, very important. That holds your screen very tight. So you just open this one and you just put your laptop, and then that's it. You can actually have that here. Now I have the screen set up like that. The second screen goes here. So maybe you want to show from this side as well. There you go, Santiago. So now I have two screens, and obviously I have the main screen as well here. So I have one extra here. If you have two screen, you can actually have three screen here, but I don't have three screen, I just use two. Okay, so here's the tricky part. So now you have a USB terminal. And what it is, the USB terminal, is you have a bunch of USB, and then the USB has the plug power. So this one goes into the power. Therefore, you're getting all of the power for the screens from this plug. So you connect this one, and this is a cable for the screen. So what you do is you just put this one here. So now you connect this one. Only the USB of this hub goes into your USB port. Now this screen is connected to the laptop through this hub. This is very important because if you connect this one to the laptop, not always all the laptops have enough USB port to get that. And plus, if you are on battery, they drain the battery really fast. So it's very important to have this one, very cheap, $10, $20, that has the power. So the mouse, you have the option to connect it directly to the laptop, or you can just direct it to that hub that you have. Same thing, really doesn't matter because you have extra port. In this case, I have extra port, and I'm just gonna put one here. And now this is the second cable for the screen, again connected to the screen, and then the USB either goes to the laptop, which we're not going to use it, or we're coming and using our hub. Here you go. Now you have two screens connected to this. You get the power from this, and you can actually have multiple if you want. So the mouse is working, the screens are working. Even if you have the third screen, you could easily just have the third screen. In this case, I just want to use this three. And of course, when you're trading, you have to connect your laptop to the battery pack. So obviously this is it. So that's the battery pack that I have. The charger for the laptop. I'm gonna connect that. And I have to make sure that my PC is plugged, because you do not want to run out of the battery in the middle of a very big position in trading. There you go. So now your trading station is ready. You have three screens. You can have a chat room here and these two for trading. Looking forward to see you in November for live trading workshop.